Welcome my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, at this time I'm heading to a plantation right here in Campbell's. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm heading to Barrington and Lorraine Grung. But Barrington is not here. But Lorraine is afraid of camera, so you know I have to do this on my own, alright? So yes, my viewers and all my subscribers, please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, here we are.
Jamaican
Heading up.
Farmers
Yeah.
Hut.
As I can see.
Jamaican Farmers
Lovely bunch of
Hut.
banana here.
Ready, we ready, and we
Alright.
gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some
This is
corn.
where all the water
ready,
come
we
and
ready, and
stay
we gone. We
until
are plant sweet pepper, we are plant pear
it's time
yam.
to use.
Ready, we ready,
Alright.
ready, we ready.
Alright, there's a spray pan here.
like Freddy.
I need to do some work on it. I need to do some more work on this spray pan here. I have to change this piece of metal here.
Outstanding, big
That,
and broad.
as you can see, this spray pan
Jamaican
is a good
farmers
spray
up
pan.
gone abroad. We are moved from
Yeah.
hut to hut. Banana start to ripe at time to get cut.
So yes, my viewers and
Jamaican
subscribers,
farmers hut.
we're going up the plantation. Young breadfruit fall off a tree. Alright. Yeah, this is Barrington and Lorraine plantation. Here, as you can see over there, have some lovely yams over there. Alright. Yes, my viewers, and trust me, my viewers, there are some yam up here. My God, you don't want to stop eat that yam if you get a pound of it. Alright. Those little, don't know how to describe it, but they call it pum pum yam. Yes, this plantation have a lot of pum pum yam. All these yam you see here, yeah, recently plant back. As you can see, right through the plantation there is corn. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, it's all about Barrington and Lorraine plantation. So what I say, alright, I know I go through the farm. Okay, my viewers, watch this one. This is how the yam, after them stick the yam, them run a wire line.
Jamaican
As you can see,
farmers hut.
there's a wire line,
Jamaican
yeah,
Farmers
for the yam to run on
Ready,
also.
we ready, and we gone. We
Right.
are plant pumpkin and we are plant some
Ahead.
corn. Ready, we ready, and we
Okay.
gone. We are plant sweet
all
pepper, we
about
are plant pear yam.
plantation.
Ready, we ready,
Alright.
ready, we ready, ready like Freddy.
And that at the same time I don't want to smash anything, so I'm gonna take my little time go through the plantation because over here supposed to be some
we are moved from hut to
corn
hut.
plant
Banana
over here
start
the
to
last
ripe at
time.
to get cut.
Yeah, last time I see the guys them working in this farm, and as you can see this farm lately sprayed, so there's no high grass inside here. Alright, okay, so over here now my people, my viewers, the last time, yeah, there are some corn.
Yes, I tell you. Likewise, you know. Yeah, they're on the farm, you know. They're on the farm. Yeah, see them there? And we wore them, you know. Real farming food. Yeah, man, them how we use work. See? Alright, don't joke about it. This is what we drive to work. So we just come in back, yeah. And we John here. See? Eh. So see there, we do a lot of things. So, well, you know, Jamaican Farmers Hut, yes, big up to the fullest. See? Because guess what? Keep on doing it, youth. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Because guess what? I'm not down there, but I'm a big farmer in Jamaica and all of my Canadian friends and family them up here. Oh my God, yo, go on with the thing, a road, Jamaican Farmers Hut. See them there? All of those are the greenhouses that we're working. You know, it is out there so you can see. Yeah, far as you can see. Yeah, man, Canada. Yeah, yeah, man. New market, for real. Yeah, blessing every time. Yeah, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, man. Father Barry for real.
Come on, to all my viewers and subscribers, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. You know, to see the next video coming out. Because if you don't, you're not gonna see the next video coming out. All right. So yes, my people, we have cocoa also here. Lovely cocoa. Lovely cocoa, my viewers. Yeah, man, lovely cocoa, my viewers. This is my favorite food, you know, in my height altitude. Cocoa. All right, as you can see, yeah, this plantation have a lot of corn run through the yam, you know. So we're going down here to our next part. We have some renter here. Yeah, kind of mix up, but you know. Yeah, here is the card again. Card run. For the yam to run on it, right up the line. You know what I mean? Yes, my people, we inside Barrington and Lorraine plantation. Okay, we reach where we have some planting here. Yeah. Planting here, my God. Look in this line, you have about 9 to 10 planting to this line, you know. Wonderful, my viewers. Wonderful. And as you can see over here,
Jamaican.
as you can see over here,
Hut.
as you can see over here from the top of the line,
Farmers Hut.
planting,
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are
Planting.
pumpkin and we are
Planting.
plant some corn.
Planting.
Ready, we ready, and a gone,
Right?
we gone. We are plant
Down.
sweet pepper, we are plant
Planting.
yam. Ready, we ready. Ready, we ready.
My viewers, this
ready,
is
ready,
plantation.
ready, like Freddy.
The boss is not here at the moment, but you know, the wife take care of things. Alright?
Outstanding,
Yes, my
big
people,
and
lovely
broad,
planting
Jamaican
right down the line.
farmers
When
hut
them
gone
planting, you
abroad.
start shooting.
We are move from
Remember me tell you, you know.
banana start to ripe at
As
time
you
to
can
get
see,
put. Jamaican
fertilizer to the yam.
farmers.
Yeah. So yes, my people, planting as you can see, planting right along the line. You have planting. So Lorraine and Barrington is not joking, you know what I mean? Yeah? Yeah, man, it's all about farming. So yes, my people, I'm a farmer also, you know. So when I see yam run out of line, I put them back in line. All right? Yeah. Okay, all right. As you can see, this plantation, this part of the plantation here, sprayed recently. All right. Yeah, man. Yam is up on stick. Yeah. So about 10 to 12 months, yam is ready. All right, my people. So yeah, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't hit the notification bell, you're not going to see what's going on in the next video. All right. So my viewers, my subscribers, Jamaican Farmers Hut, my name is Everton, and I'm going to leave you for a little while. And right now, I meet up on a tree here. I meet up on a little tree here.
Jamaican farmers.
It's a little plum tree, very short, but started to bear. As you can see. Yeah, but trust me, Lorraine, I have to keep one of them one a Lorraine. No man, I have to keep one Lorraine, man. Talk about Lorraine. As you say, it have one little red side, like you say, right? Yeah, I have a little banana up here. Yeah.
Outstanding, big and broad, Jamaican farmers hut gone abroad.
Next one here.
We are moved from hut to
You
hut,
got to
banana
plant, man.
start to ripe,
You got to
time to
plant.
get cut.
You know what I mean?
Jamaican farmers.
Man, it's all about farming.
Hut.
So yes, my viewers and subscribers, that was it. There you go. You know what I mean? So it's time for me now to test my plum. Make sure so my plum ready. So what I say? Alright? So yeah man. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Then you will see the next video coming out, alright? So my people, my name is Everton and I'm out.